If Jupiter and Saturn suddenly were on a collision course, which of the two planets would emerge victorious? Both Jupiter and Saturn are almost entirely gaseous, primarily consisting of hydrogen and helium. And while they may have solid cores, there's no sharp transition between the layers. Jupiter would have some significant advantages. It's about 3 times as massive as Saturn, with almost double the volume. And it's moving faster too. Jupiter's rotation speed reaches 13 kilometers per second, while Saturn rotates at just below 10 kilometers per second. But Saturn brings a wild card to the fight. Within its 2 rings, there are at least 150 moons and moonlets. If the planets drew closer together, Jupiter's strong gravitational pull would cause these moons, moonlets, rocks, dust, and ice to accelerate toward it. Some of them would be torn apart. That's what happened when the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 collided with Jupiter in 1994. Originally, the comet was nearly 2 kilometers wide. But by the time it crashed, Jupiter's gravity had torn it to pieces. And those fragments smashed into Jupiter with the force of 300 million atomic bombs. Yeah, and that heated Jupiter's atmospheric temperature to nearly 40,000 degrees Celsius. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is over 2,000 times larger than that comet, so the force of it alone colliding with Jupiter would be massive.